My daughter made me really proud the other day. She looked at her dollhouse and looked at her toy kitchen and said, "Dad, I want to sell those things and get more cars and dinosaur toys." So I was pretty stoked when she said that, and I'm even more stoked to have taken those funds from selling those, got her this Power Wheels right here, the DUNE RACER Extreme. So let's get it together. I've got about an hour to get it assembled before she gets home today from preschool, so let's get at it. Well, as you can see there, it's all together now. The Power Wheels DUNE RACER Extreme in my daughter's favorite color, purple. And her mom just went to pick her up from preschool, so she'll be back any minute now, and I'm going to surprise her. You ready? What do you think?